What's hot in the Kitsilano single family market for October 2018? The Vancouver Westside Single Family market continues to favor buyers, and Kitsilano is no exception to that rule. Usually Kitsilano does really well. Usually Kitsilano favors sellers, but not any longer. Kitsilano has transitioned from a seller's market to a buyer's market. Only 2 homes sold in the entire neighborhood of Kitsilano. The most expensive home sold for $3.3 million, and that would have bought you a 16-year-old home on MacKenzie Street and 15th Avenue on a 33-foot wide lot. So a relatively new home on a 33-foot wide lot right at MacKenzie and 15th Avenue. The least expensive home sold for $3 million, so not a lot of difference here. $3 million for the least expensive home, and this was an investment property. It was a 6-unit home right at 6th Avenue and Balsam Street, $3 million. Only 43 homes were available and on the market in Kitsilano, and only 2 of them sold, so that's 5% of the homes that are selling. And remember that the real estate board defines a buyer's market as when anything under 14% sells in a given month. So much less than 14% is selling right now in Kitsilano. We're at 5% with 2 homes out of 43 available and on the market that sold. Sold values in Kitsilano are a little bit higher actually than the rest of the west side right now. The median price for your typical home in the Kitsilano neighborhood is $3,150,000, $3.15 million, whereas the rest of the Vancouver west side right now, the median price is $2.9 million, so we're about $250,000 higher in the Kitsilano neighborhood. If you'd like to take a look at these 2 homes that sold, I've got them located on an area map. I've got the sold price versus the list price. I've got 10 photographs for each of these 2 homes that sold, and feel free to download that package of information by clicking the link above or below, depending on whether you're watching this on Facebook or YouTube. My name is David Setton with Oakwyn Realty and Answers in Real Estate, and as always, thank you so much for listening today.